Hey guys, just got another delivery from my friends over at Desert Does It. This time we're going to be installing the quick drop fire extinguisher mount on our roll bar Molle. When you open the box, you're first going to find detailed instructions, followed by 2 different sizes of foam gaskets. Next is the mount itself, unassembled in secure packaging along with its hardware. A Swedish fish, the Desert Does It calling card, and of course blue Loctite. Opening up the packaging, the aluminum C brackets are well built and sturdy. The solid aluminum base has plenty of holes for mounting options. And each C-clamp has corresponding holes for the locking pin. They also include this nice keychain. There are 2 different sizes of bolts included, and the locking pin. Since I opted for the larger model using a 3¼ inch diameter fire extinguisher, I'll be using the 1/8 inch black foam and won't need this 1/4 inch foam. Start by cleaning the inside face of each aluminum C bracket with the provided alcohol wipe. Take the 1/8 inch black foam, remove the backing, and install in the inside face of the aluminum C brackets. Be careful not to overlap the hinge or pin portions of the bracket. Next, find the 2 holes on each side of the aluminum flat mount. Then take the 4mm flathead bolts and thread them through each C bracket into the flat mount. I hand tighten these and then torque them down with my wrench. So my plan is to mount this to my roll bar Molle panel using these holes in the middle. I first test fit the mount and made sure that it had space to open. Then using the supplied blue Loctite, thread the 4 button head 4mm bolts through the flat mount into the Molle panel. I started with 1 screw and worked my way around. Tighten these down using a 4mm Allen key or bit. So after we tighten down all of these, there's only one thing left to do. Let's mount that fire extinguisher. Insert your fire extinguisher of choice into the mount, compress the foam strips, and line up the holes for the 4-inch stainless steel pin. They recommend running the steel pin in and out a couple of times to ensure proper operation, but that's it. Looks great and it's a super useful upgrade. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.